Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 把 step by step. First, I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write 把 把 means to hold to. Contain. Handle. For example, 把风 把风 means to keep watch. I say nothing, I keep watch for you. Say nothing, I keep watch for you.我什么都没看见，我替你们把风。我什么都没有，没看见。我替你们把风。我替你们把风。我什么都没看见。我替你们 for you. 把风 I see nothing, I keep watch for you. 我什么都没看见，我替你们把风。把 in cursive. 把 to hold to, contain, handle. 把风 to keep watch. I say nothing, I keep watch for you. 我什么都没看见，我替你们把风。Please comment any sentence with Chinese character 把. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.